Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair a Steelseries Aerox 3 wireless with Android smartphone. And to do this, first we'll need to open our Bluetooth settings on our phone, and to do that open the gear icon, usually gear icon on your device, and then move to the Bluetooth. Inside, make sure that it's on and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here you will find available devices. Now we can move on to the mouse. We need to click and hold the CPI button, and then change, while holding this same button, change the switch underneath your mouse to the Bluetooth. Keep holding the button and it should enter pairing mode. Now we can refresh the page for all available devices. Here's a mouse, click on it and then pair. Now we can let go of the button and the mouse is connected with our phone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.